Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to today's news edition. First, let's take a quick look at the headlines. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents Union Budget for 2023-24 in the Parliament. AICC media coordinators question Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Eljiva Rinja, candidate from North Shillong constituency, stress on the need to protect youth from social evils. And party has rebelled candidates in 2 constituencies of Garo Hill, says MPCC President Vincent H. Pala. The news in detail. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented Union Budget for 2023-24 in the Parliament today. She said that Indian economy is on the right track and is heading towards a bright future despite challenging times. Sitharaman said the economic growth in the current year is estimated to be at 7%. Stating that this is the first budget in Amrit Kal, the Finance Minister said the vision for the Amrit Kal includes technology-driven and knowledge-based economy with strong public finances and a robust financial sector. The budget hopes to build on the foundation laid in the previous budget and blueprint drawn for India at 100. The Finance Minister announced that the capital investment outlay will be increased by 33% to 10 lakh crore rupees, which would be 3.3% of GDP.
Each other and act as the Saptarishi guiding us through the Amrit Kal. Inclusive development, reaching the last mile, infrastructure and investment, unleashing the potential, green growth, youth power, and financial sector.
AICC media coordinators Matthew Anthony and Bobita Sharma today questioned Chief Minister Conrad Sangma over his claims that no development took place in Meghalaya in the last 45 years. They questioned if late Purno Sangma, who held several positions in central government, did not do anything in the last 45 years. They also termed Mukul Sangma's decision to join TMC as the biggest political blunder.
Vision about the aspirations of the people of Meghalaya, because Congress party felt that statehood will give their dreams a fulfillment. So today he is here to serve the people of Meghalaya. He has got an opportunity to serve the people of Meghalaya because of the Congress party.
Eljiva Rinja, who is one of the youngest candidates in Trinamool Congress and from North Shillong constituency, has stressed on the need to protect youth from social evils by providing sustainable employment. Speaking to media person, Rinja said that youth need to be empowered through government interventions. She also said that she is ready to face the heavyweights in the constituency in the upcoming battle, as she is leaving no stone unturned to woo voters to believe in youth power.
Looking forward to see that I'm contesting with him. But I will ensure that each and every youth of this constituency will get a door. We will pave the way for them in making them self-made entrepreneurs, help them through self-help group, and also those who are capable to get government jobs. We will see according to the strategies how to give them.
MPCC President Vincent H. Pala has said the party has rebelled candidates in 2 constituencies of Garo Hills. These include Salmanpara and Kharkutta constituency. Addressing media person, Pala said that the party was left with no other option but to deny ticket to a youth leader from Salmanpara and another candidate from Kharkutta, as the top priority of the party is winnability. Therefore, have to sacrifice for the interests of the party. He said Gambegre legislator Saling A. Sangma had negotiated with the AICC in Delhi that he will join the party on condition that 2 seats are given to him. One his own seat and the other is neighbouring Salmanpara seat, from where a youth leader of the party was supposed to get the ticket. He admitted that the party's decision had evoked anger among the youth leaders.
When Saleng joined the Congress, he had negotiated with AICC in Delhi. So after we finished the negotiations, he has conditions that 2 seats should be given to him. One is his own seat and one is the neighboring seats, where it happens that one of our youth leaders supposed to be given a ticket.
Rocky Hegg, the National People's Party candidate from Pinthor Umkhra constituency, filed his nomination at the East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner's office in Shillong. It is to be known that the sitting BJP MLA from Pinthor Umkhra constituency, A.L. Hegg, is the maternal uncle of Rocky Hegg, and Rocky Hegg is contesting the upcoming election against his uncle from NPP ticket.
MLA, I'll be bringing the dismissal for the youth, especially the development. Like you have seen in my constituency, we don't have such a good road, no water connection, even the street light also. That is the main issue which I want to bring.
In what may be termed as a proud moment for Ribhoi and Meghalaya, Cadet Under Senior Officer Risa Iba Lalu was adjudged the best commander during the NCC PM rally held at Karya Park Parade Ground, New Delhi on January 28. The 21-year-old girl hailing from Diwan village in Ribhoi is the daughter of W. Lalu and Wilda Teron. She had joined the NCC in 2020 and was part of the NCC contingent from the NER Directorate at the NCC PM rally alongside the Army, the Navy, the Air Force and the Army senior wings to celebrate 75 years of inception of the NCC. The weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded at 20.1 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.7 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 62%, while in the evening it was 82%. Forecast: dry weather with shallow to moderate fog is most likely to occur. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in into our daily bulletin. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presents Union Budget for 2023-24 in the Parliament. AICC media coordinators question Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Eljiva Rinja, candidate from North Shillong constituency, stress on the need to protect youth from social evils. And party has rebelled candidates in 2 constituencies of Garo Hills, says MPCC President Vincent H. Pala. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, it's good night.